Hey everyone, we're back with a car that we actually coated 2 weeks ago. We put a Ceramic Pro bronze package on it. This car is out in the elements getting pooped on by bees every day. So we're gonna do its initial wash and see how that coating performs. Bee poop, it's the worst. I don't even know how to get it off of a normal car. It usually requires polishing, heavy chemicals, all that sort of stuff. But on this one, we're hoping that a light rinse, regular wash process is going to take this off. So I've got a couple things to try in case that doesn't work very well. We've got Americana Release, American Detailer Garage F-Bomb, and our regular wash mitt with a regular Americana soap. So first off, going to just give this car a rinse, see how much of this comes off with the initial rinse. All right, so looks like the pre-rinse from the pressure washer didn't take that off. I didn't really expect it to. Bee poop does stick pretty bad. So now we're gonna take our regular wash mitt, give that some agitation and see how that does. Looks like it's already starting to remove some of it. I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit. I'm not pushing very hard, so I'm trying to do our regular wash process. The more that I wipe over this, the more that actually comes off. Let's get a close-up on that one there. Okay. So as we go over that, that comes right off. No pressure, not a lot of heavy agitation. Normally we've got to do a lot of scrubbing, usually picking with our fingernails at this stuff, but just a little bit of washing with the mitt removes that real easily. Very nice. Looks like the regular wash process on the Ceramic Pro bronze package really was able to take off all of that stuff that normally is a real pain to remove. I'm gonna try the other processes just to see if that speeds it up a little bit. So Americana Release is our iron and fallout contamination remover. I'm not sure if this will react at all with the bee poop, but we'll see. It does look like it is reacting with it as soon as it makes contact. I'm just gonna let that soak for about a minute and see how that comes off with just a rinse. Oh yeah, look at that. Rinses right off. So the last thing I'm gonna try is the ADG F-Bomb. This is an all-purpose cleaner. I put it up in the foam cannon at 4-to-1 already. I'm gonna spray that on, let it soak for a little bit, and then rinse it off. Now, one of my favorite things about ceramic coatings and their chemical resistance is that we can use a stronger chemical like F-Bomb to strip off contaminants and stuck-on particles that don't come off with your normal wash process, and it's not going to affect the coating like it would a wax. Oh yeah, look at that. These areas that are covered in road grime actually clean up really nicely. Now, after foaming the car with F-Bomb in the foam cannon, I would say that that's probably the best product to use to remove bug poop like this. The F-Bomb in a spray bottle, like at a 10-to-1 dilution, is going to work even more effectively. The Release was a great product, but F-Bomb's a little bit more cost effective because it dilutes down. I would spray that on, rinse it off, and then do your regular wash process on a car like this that's coated.